Traders, we will be analyzing Ripple today. Ripple's pursuit of a national bank charter. It's about to shake out banking system. So let's analyze the charts, technical analysis of course, and see where can we add to our positions that have huge gains already. If we go to the weekly chart, we will do a top bottom analysis. We'll see that on February, with this drop, we had big buying, okay? And then we took out those levels. There was a liquidity sweep below those levels inflicted by the smart money, and we had a little bit of increase in volume, okay, in April. And then we should straight up for 3 weeks. Now, we are at the previous all-time highs, and it was obvious they were going to do another liquidity sweep. In other words, shaking the tree, absorbing the others, and then a pullback. So we go to the daily chart. To see this, we see the amount of volume that was generated during those transactions. This was a clear warning. This candle in the daily chart, let me amplify it for you. It has a wick and it drops to close almost at the bottom with an increase in volume. This is the volume they used to push the price above the previous highs, and then they took the market out. Now, these 3 candles, as we can see, have wicks pointing to buying, okay? And then we have on those 3 candles an increase in volume. We are at the 20 simple moving average, so all that means is that the price is not overextended, overbought anymore. We can see it on the RSI. It was clearly overbought and now it has pulled back all the way to the 58 level. So for a trade, this could be a good level. If I wanted to get in a trade, we'll stop below these wicks and this will be the target. Now, if we go to smaller time frames like 4-hour chart, we can see the pullback was right at the all-time highs. It's very common for the world to do this. It shows definitely the involvement of the smart money. And in the 4-hour chart, we even had an oversold level here. So for a trade, these are good levels. This will be the stop below those wicks, and this will be the target. Now, looking at the daily chart, we can use the Fibonacci retracement tool. And as we can see, we had a correction of around 40%, which is the 38.382 level. Obviously, a correction of 50% will be a much better level to buy, or even the 60.18%. Because it is this previous resistance level that was overcome with this push. Now, one thing we can do if we want to add to the position is I can add some coins here. If it pulls back to the 50% level, some more, and this will be the first target. But that will be for a longer trade, since we got in at around these levels with these shakeouts. Then we are okay. We are not adding to our positions right now, but we will definitely be taking some trades on these levels. And that's what we have for you guys for this video. If there is another crypto that you want us to analyze, do a technical analysis, professional technical analysis, just put it in the comments, and see you in the next video.